If you're looking for a complete Coursera special offer walkthrough, this video will show you exactly how the current Coursera Plus discount works, how to activate it, and what you get with the subscription. And before we continue, there's a link in the description that takes you directly to the official Coursera Plus offer page so you can check the latest pricing and availability yourself. Right now, Coursera is running a limited time promotion where eligible new subscribers can get Coursera Plus for $14.40 per month instead of the regular $24 monthly price for the first 3 months. According to the official Coursera offer page, this discount is expected to end on May 31st. So here's the Coursera special offer walkthrough step by step. First, open the official Coursera Plus link in the description below. Once the page loads, you should see the discounted pricing automatically displayed on the screen. In most cases, the promotion is already activated through the link, so you usually do not need to manually enter a promo code. Next, sign into your Coursera account or create a new account if you are a first-time user. After that, select the Coursera Plus monthly subscription and continue to checkout. Before making payment, double-check that the discounted price is still visible. Then complete your payment and activate your subscription. Once your membership becomes active, you'll get access to more than 10,000 online courses, guided projects, specializations, and professional certificate programs from major companies and universities like Google, IBM, Meta, Duke University, and the University of Michigan. This is one reason why many learners choose Coursera Plus instead of buying individual courses separately. If you plan to complete multiple programs throughout the year, the subscription can save a lot of money. You can learn skills in AI, programming, cybersecurity, business, marketing, project management, data science, and many other high-demand career fields. Popular programs like Google Career Certificates, IBM Data Science, Python for Everybody, and prompt engineering specializations are also included with the subscription. Just remember that this current Coursera special offer mainly applies to eligible new Coursera Plus subscribers, and availability may vary depending on your country. If you want to check whether the current discount is still active for your region, use the official Coursera Plus link in the description below before the promotion expires.